This sensational Wagoneer L delivers the comfort and capability your family needs to make road trip dreams come true. With 3 rows of spacious seating, an impressive suite of infotainment features, high safety scores, and a powerful Hurricane twin-turbo engine that produces 420 horsepower. This ruggedly handsome vehicle is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Luxury blends with rugged capability in this powerful Wagoneer L. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.